Welcome back everyone, my name is Lee from Lever's Kitchen. I hope everyone had a good Christmas, or what we call Chrissy. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this ham taste so much better. So first we're going to get the smoking chips soaking. So I'm using applewood chips today, and I'm just going to get them soaking ready for smoking the ham. And then we're just going to take the ham out of its original wrapper. And they also supplied this plastic sleeve on the end for the holding the ham, and I'm just going to get rid of that and replace it with some foil. Just because that would melt off straight away. And then I'm just going to grab a knife and just score the fat just along where that handle is. And then I'm going to use my fingers to get underneath the fat and just tease that off. We're not going to actually cut the fat off or anything, just this last tough lot of fat that we're going to take off. And I'll find that when you take this off, the smoke penetrates the ham a lot better. So just use the finger just to tease it off. Take your time, and you might need to cut it off just a little bit like I did in the end there. Now we're going to do scores on top of the fat, so we're going to do it in a diamond pattern. So we're going to do it one way. And then we're going to cut into the other direction as well. And there's two reasons to do this. One, it's going to make a really pretty pattern on it once it's been smoked and glazed as well. And secondly, it's going to help that smoke penetrate into the fat. So now we're going to get the smoking chips into the smoker. So this is just a cheap Aldi gas smoker. I'm going to put some water into the water reservoir. And then we're going to put our ham in. So we're going to smoke this for about 2 hours at about 130 degrees. Now I would normally use my smoking thermometers for the smoker, but I kind of know how my smoker runs now, so I don't really need to track the temperature of the actual smoker using my Bluetooth thermometer probes. And also it's already cooked as well, so we're not tracking the temperature or anything with it, so we can just leave that be for the next couple of hours. So we're just going to make a quick glaze, and I just saw this one on YouTube on a short, so I'm just going to use that. So we've got some orange juice, about half a cup of brown sugar, and then we're just going to add just a little bit of salt, and then we're going to heat that gently just until that sugar's dissolved, and give it a good whisk. So after 2 hours, we're going to take the ham out of the smoker, and we're going to put it into an oven tray and onto a trivet. Now you could do this in your smoker, but I was a bit low on gas, so I didn't really want to waste all my gas on my smoker. So I'm going to do it in my home oven, but you can still do this in your smoker as well. So I'm just going to cover the ham with the glaze. I'm just going to put some water down the bottom there just to stop it from burning. and then we are going to bake it in the oven at about 170 degrees, and we're going to baste it every 15 minutes. And I did this about 4 times, and you can see each time I do it, the colour just generates even better and better and better. So the more you want to do it, the better it's going to look. Doesn't that look good? Let's serve it up and try it out. It looks really good. Let's try it out. Just smoking the ham again makes it just so much better. Hey, give this a go. And if you love this recipe, don't forget to like it. And if you'd like to see more, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.